Back up, take that out. Alright, back up, put 10 back together. What's this right here? Is that in 10?
No. No.
Where does that go?
I'm supposed to go with 9.
Huh?
No, not 9. I don't know what that goes with. That doesn't go with 9.
You sure?
Yeah, it doesn't go with 9. Okay. All bag 10s put back together.
So you sure it didn't fall out of 10?
Yes, it didn't come out of 10.
Okay.
Well, maybe it did. Just look. It did actually. I have a small one right there. No, I have a small one in 10. I have a small one.
Cool. Great. Hello YouTube, hello subscribers, thanks for tuning in, thanks for watching, check it out. This is where we are with the build of the Gorgon. Right, Max? Is that what I said right? Gorgon?
Yeah,
Gorgon by Arma. Okay, so check out the playlist. We got tons of videos. Check out the playlist of the Gorgon by Arma, 1/10 scale, 2-wheel drive truck, assembly or putting it together. We bought it almost together, not an RTR, which RTR means ready to run. And that's how to put it together. So check out the playlist. This is probably what episode or part 5 or 6. We'll get it right in the title and the description when we drop this video. So we got the servo. The servo goes down in here. Then as you can see, we ran the servo wire in here, and then it came in there, and then came out and up in here. Okay, the servo and into the ESC. Can you say ESC?
ESC.
ESC. All right, so put the ESC up top. You have 2 screws to screw down for the ESC. One here and one here. Okay, and then now the tricky part is what we messed up on was what did we do wrong with this first? What did we have to do over? What did we mess up on?
I think it was the wire. No.
Yeah, it was the wiring, and it was the battery lead coming off the ESC.
Yeah.
We had screwed the ESC on, and we forgot to put the battery lead inside of here, and that's what you got to remember to do before
put the ESC on.
Before you put the ESC on, okay? So yeah, okay. So we did that, and then we looped the wires from the ESC to go to the motor through here, down here, and we kind of looped it into this little attachment here on the back end, and where here's the motor. The motor, we put it in here, and the wires go in and stick them behind there, nice and neat. So a lot of parts that we put together is not in our videos, so we try to walk you through it as we can.
And the servo.
The servo. That's the servo wire. We just went on the servo wire.
Okay.
What else? Anything else you can think of that we need to recap?
All this.
Yeah, we just did this. This was bag 9, right?
Yeah,
bag 9. And your bags are listed. Like this is bag 9, and that's where we are now. We just finished bag 9, right?
Yeah.
You was just working on bag 10. Can you pull up 10 for them? And bring it into the camera. Bag 10, and we on bag 10. And I think that's at an upper arm, or what's that?
Upper arm for the front.
Upper A arms there. So we're just trying to give you a recap for those who just joined us. We got to finish putting this through. Got the lower A arms in, the upper suspension, the upper arms, or the upper links here.
We got to put the shocks back there.
Oh yeah, we got to put the shocks on, but that's just, we're just trying to catch it.
Later.
We're just trying to catch them up, what we already got on there. Yeah, and so we'll go through some of the instructions that we're using, so we can help you as we build too. But right now, guys, we just kind of show you where we are with the build. Go back and look at the videos we do have out, and you can see where we started and where we are now. And just want to kind of give you a heads up. We're not going to put everything that we put together on here. We're going to do our best to get everything on, but we won't get everything on here. Just want to keep you abreast to that. Like, subscribe, comment, notification bell, thumbs up, thumbs down. We appreciate it. Remember to subscribe because it's free. And so what we're going to do now, Max has bag 10 is going to open for you guys. This is where we are now, bag 10. We finished with bag 9. So we're going to go ahead and get that going.
I need it this way.
So you need it that way.
Okay. Ooh, where'd that thing go? It's right there.
Go grab it. Go grab it. It's all good. Go grab it.
Okay. What it says is, okay, look at number 10. If you look at number 10, it shows you where to put it. It's at the angle I have it on. So I gotta put this,
the top A arm.
The top A arm.
So it just gives you A, just follow it. It's pretty simple. A, B, C, A, B, C, and then D. Pretty simple. And then it gives you the finished product right here after you finish it. Pretty simple, cool. Because you probably can't really see that diagram on the camera, but that's what it is.
Where's
the... I can maybe just bring it up close for you guys. Like that. There you go. And so he's going to put that pin through.
It's not, it's the screw.
It's a pin / screw. Wait a second. Here's the pin.
The pin goes in here.
The pin, you sure?
Yeah. Yeah.
The pin goes through on this side?
Yeah, but wait, I want to...
Yep, the pin, I just put the pin in there.
I gotta figure out why it's not going in.
You got jiggle it, pull it, jiggle it, push, jiggle it, push. So the line, because it's got a line through here, got a line through here, got a line through here, got a line through here. So it's got jiggle, push, jiggle, push.
It'll go in like this, but it's not.
Okay, now make sure you have the right hex
2.5 and it fits.
hex screw in there.
It fit. Well, no, give me a 2.5 and then 3. That's a 2, that's 3.
Be careful, don't hit the camera.
That's 3.
Watch your feet.
3? It what? 3? 3's too big. It's a 2.5.
2.5. Push and screw, push and screw. So, thing is, it's not all the way connected in a way. This is not. Now it's going. Now he can do it. Now it's going. Go ahead and put that dude. Where's this other one? Oh, we gotta go back. Get 11.
Yeah, bag 11. Not yet, because we still have stuff to do. The highest bag is bag 18.
So I just pulled out bag 11 for you guys. He's finishing up. Bag 10 is empty. He's done with that one. Now it's bag 11.
I still gotta do this and then.
So keep going there. And I'm going to go ahead and be proactive and pull out bag 11.
It's the same thing as
so you got to put that pin, that little, show them that.
This little screw.
A little screw there and goes
into
to capture or to safeguard that pin that we put in.
Which it doesn't, on the rear it didn't really protect it. It didn't really close. It didn't really close in on it. It didn't cover like an edge. That's what it is.
Push and screw, push and screw. You got push in and screw, push and screw, push and screw, push and screw. Can't go at an angle. Can't go at an angle. You gotta go straight.
I'm trying to figure out why it's not biting.
Can't go at an angle. You gotta find it, then dig into it. Now start screwing. Dig into it, screw. Dig into it, screw. Dig into it, screw. Dig into it, screw. You gotta dig. You gotta dig into it. You gotta stay steady. You gotta stay steady and true. You can't go left or right. You gotta stay in the center.
Okay. There's 11.
The same thing, same setup. It's identical on the other side. Only thing is, I think we messed up, guys. I should have looked at it. I'm so sorry. I should have looked at it. and see how it was. I didn't. Just kind of went with what Max and look what my 9-year-old was doing, and I apologize for that. So we gotta take this apart again. I'm so sorry, guys. I should have double checked it, and I didn't.
What?
All right.
What is it?
You didn't get your pen. This right here.
Oh.
So we gotta go backwards before we can go forward.
No, it doesn't attach. It doesn't attach.
Huh?
It doesn't attach.
It didn't?
Yeah, it doesn't attach yet.
So it's right? It looks identical to this? Everything looks good?
Yeah, it has to be.
This is going out?
Where it was showing, it was like this.
Okay, but this is straight?
Yeah, that's straight. No, it doesn't show that it connects yet. Yeah, it doesn't connect yet. It's fine. Connect yet.
Just gonna go ahead and get this all the way flush, all the way down for you guys. Leave it in the comments down below if you got this
Gorgon.
and if you build it, if you bought it RTR.
I got it.
So he's gonna let us know what you like about it, what you did to it, if you modify, if you didn't modify, if you keep it stock. Let us know in the comments below. What's this? Okay, just going like that. That pin goes there. Just what bag is this? Do you have a bag? 11?
Yeah. Why is this?
Let's get this in first. It helps. Go to that first. It helps. Put that in first. Now you got now dig that piece in. Dig that in. Good job. Good job. Wiggle it. Okay, it's in. Using the 5.
A 2.5.
A 2.5 hex screwdriver. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Alright, so now we're on bag 12. Bag 12. Bag 12. Bag 12 right here. There we go. Good. Get that on. Push and screw. Push and screw. Is it biting? Is it feeling biting?
No, I'm pushing.
All right.
I'm pushing. Where's the T?
Okay, got that on. Looks good. Boom, boom,
You
boom.
gotta do the thing. Daddy,
Okay. Huh?
I'm gonna get this on.
Get that on. Find the hole. Now push. You gotta push before you turn. Push. Take a deep breath. Relax. Push. Push before you turn. You
It's
gotta.
not even going in the hole.
It's not gonna go in. You just gotta push and then turn. Push and then turn. Make sure you got it. Gotta keep it straight. Keep it straight. Don't let it go left or right. Keep it straight. Keep it straight. Keep it straight.
Okay, a bit.
See?
There's back to it right here. Oh, the pain. The pain.
Alright, got that done. The upper. Let me see if we get that right. Now, the upper A-arms, they don't have right or left, but the bottom ones
They do.
have right and left on there, okay? So I just want you to be aware of that.
Now we're on bag 12.
Bag 12.
Wait, what? Oh, yeah, okay. Make sure.
Yep, we're done with that.
Bag 12.
Turnbuckles.
Turnbuckles?
Bottom here. Does it say anything about turnbuckles? Read this. The bag. What's this?
The bag contains.
Yeah, you got it. Contains. I'm reading upside down, but he's reading.
Contents.
Contents.
Contents has a power the
as per the image.
for the image on the left.
Okay, so it doesn't say what it is actually. Yeah. Okay, that's fine. I thought it said like turnbuckle, so it might be a turnbuckle.
So it's on the left.
So left.
Left side.
So the truck here. That's just.
This is the left side. Wait, right?
No.
That's the right.
This is the right.
Let me see.
What does it say? Yeah, look at it. See what it say.
What does it say?
Can you see it? Does it see it? Is it written on there?
Is it? No, I don't see it up there.
Oh, this is the right.
This
is the right arm.
So, here. Okay. So left. So what is it? Let me see. So page 12. How does it go? So get this.
There's file A.
A. Then I gotta put this in like this. And like this.
No, like this.
Oh, because that connects to that.
This is the turnbuckle here. So this is turn.
Yeah.
Turnbuckle.
Yeah.
And then this the
piece that attaches.
The piece. So, let's see. That's how that works.
So next, B. What's B? What's B? What's B? What's B? I need the long one. I need the long one into that.
The long goes in here.
Yeah, long goes in there.
You drop the piece. Let's keep the small pieces in the bag, so you know if we don't need them, we don't need those small pieces flying around. Get the small pieces back in the bag. We don't need it. We don't need them out. There we go. We almost got it done. Almost got this in. Gotta find it. Gotta line up just ever so right. Find that hole in there. Hold it. It's wiggly. Hold it steady. Hold it steady. And it goes up top. This goes down. Okay.
Yeah, it goes in like that.
Look at that one. Okay, cool. So here's a trick, guys. Here's a tip and trick. Move your face so you won't get stuck in the eye. So here's a trick. This is a 1.5 millimeter. It could go straight into this hole, right? And you can feel and line it up with this. And that's what I did. So I'll show you the other side, but I lined everything up to get this in. And you probably saw that as I did it. But I just want to make sure you saw it, noticed it. But you can use this to line up your screw. I said now what we can do is that a 2?
Yeah.
Is it 2?
No, wait. Yes.
Yes, a 2. Go ahead. Now he's gonna work with that and get that screwed on in. Push down and screw, down and screw, down and screw, down and screw. Push down and screw. Try to stay vertical, not sideways. Is it going? Is it biting?
No.
Okay.
It's not biting.
All right. Yep, it's going through. It's biting.
It's not getting tighter.
Oh, we need that right there. 'Cause that's going to catch. It should catch this right here. I think that's right. What's going on?
I saw it was from the things.
What's that? What's this right here?
This goes to this.
This goes to this one?
That goes to that.
Okay, this goes in here.
Yeah. This one goes into that.
So it was only one of these?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yes, in this bag there's only one.
Okay. Huh. Interesting.
In 13 there'll be another one.
Well, I get we'll have another. I wonder. So where did this go? Look on the instructions. Help me out. Let's go. Which one does it go on? Does it go on this one? Or does it go on that one? Does it go on
this one?
Okay, this bolt or nut goes on the long one. So on this, you're gonna have to grab. You can grab pliers, needle nose pliers, and you have somebody to help you. Have them hold it tight. Grab that tight, and then go back to your 2-point.
Okay.
Once you got that tight, so you can hold it tight as you can, or he or she or whoever you're working with, tight as you can. You gotta bite it. You gotta bite it. Tell them they gotta hold it tight.
Tight.
Tight so it won't turn. If you're doing it by yourself, there you go. If you're doing it by yourself, you're gonna have to take the hand here, bite it hard, nice and tight. And then you gotta watch it, if you can, so the screw will go through the bolt. And then you can take it off and look at it, and it went through. It's tight, it's good. Okay, now, you gotta put this through the link here with the turnbuckle. And again, go and find your 1.5, so line it up. It'll help you line it up. See how that went through? That lines up really well. And try your best to take it out slow and get that person with you so they can, once you come out, they go in quick.
And it's not going in because it's an actual screw.
So you gotta play with it. You gotta play with it a little bit because it's a
actual screw.
It's a screw. Sometimes it'll just flow right in. Sometimes it won't. Let it hold. Let that hold there until you find the right screwdriver for it. It's a 220. Got that in there.
Let's go straight through.
Let's see if we can get this in. So get that going in. Don't want to cooperate. What you can do is you can take it out a little bit. You can take this out and screw it just enough.
To get it.
Just enough. Just to get it to work, or to bite. Don't get too deep. So you got it in just enough. Go a little bit more. Go a little bit more. I'll always back out if I went too far. Alright, now we're going to see if we can get that linkage. See if we can get that linkage in there. See if we can get that linkage in there.
Okay. Now it's...
Yeah, you're going to take that, put that through at the bottom, see if it's matching up.
It's lined up.
Lined up. So if you can line it up, go ahead and line it up.
Yeah, it's lined up.
You sure?
Yeah, it's lined up.
Alright, go ahead and hold it. So he's going to hold that line. So while I screw, if you got somebody, you got a teammate, this is perfect because he got it lined up so this part won't, let me turn this way, so this part won't fall. And he got it all the way in, and he'll feel this screw because he got the other hand. Let's switch your hands. Go back in, see if you can find it. So you're gonna hold a body, so he can hold a body. Is it lined up?
Yeah, it's lined up.
So you're gonna hold the body tight. And he's gonna feel me push and He's gonna communicate with me,
Yep, feel it.
saying that he feel it coming
I
through.
feel it. I feel it.
And then he'll back off. Oops, he missed my line. He didn't have it lined up.
I did.
Thought he had it. I thought we had it lined. I thought we had it lined up.
I did have one.
Man, I thought we had it lined up. Here, go back. See if we can line it up again.
You need to pull the screw back out a little bit more.
See if we can get it lined up. See if we get it true lined up now.
It's where it. I can't go anymore. Can't go any farther.
Alright, let's get that hand there. See what we can do. See if I can line it up. See if it'll go through.
I feel it pushing through.
See if we got it lined up right. Hopefully we got it lined up this time. Think we got it lined up this time?
Yeah. Because mine's coming back. Mine's coming back.
Alright. Let's see what we can do. Go ahead and hold it. Smash it. Hold it. You gotta hold it. It's sliding. You can get rid of that whatever's in your hand. We don't need that no more. Hold it. So, get this in. Kind of as a two-man job, but man and woman job, or girl and girl job. Doesn't matter. You can get it done. You can get it done. Just gotta have a strategy in the plan. Okay, you got that in. I think that's good. Good job, good job. Well done. Proud of you. Okay, now we got the other side. Oh, we need to get another bag.
Wait, let me check.
Another bag, right? Is that 13?
Yeah, bag 13. Where's bag 13?
13.
One second.
Thirteen.
Not. Why does this seem up higher? Why does this seem like it's? What? Oh no, because we don't have the tire on. That's why.
All right, let's roll.
What's that?
Come on, focus. Focus, focus, focus. He's got 13. He's focusing on 13. While I'm focusing on 14. I want to say this would be
Here.
maybe the back.
Use this thing.
14. And this is the front. It's the front bumper. Or the front body tower. Yep. Front body tower is 14. 14 front shock and body mount or post. And you got your 4 screws. 4 screws come with that. Did you get your pin in? Or no pin? You gotta get that in. Is it going through?
It should be because I lined it up with the 1.5. This is a 2.
You're gonna have 2 screws in the back here for 14 and then 2 up front. So he's going at that and I'm gonna go with this. See if we can get that in. Hopefully we can get that in. Found that thing.
Here.
What's going on? You got it?
I'm trying to see if it's lined up.
Okay. Trying to tag team it.
Oh, it's going in. There we go. Now I just need one of these bolts. Just need one of these bolts. Yeah. I need those pliers. With pliers. There we go. Okay, can you screw it? Yeah, can you screw it? Never mind. This, oh.
You can do this like this first just to get it started and make sure it bites with your finger. Okay, now it's bitten. Now you take these needle nose and you squeeze that and you screw. Hold that tight as you can while screwing it in. Let me see it. So thank you.
Cause I'm
going the wrong way.
I am.
Righty tight, lefty loosey. Tight as you can. Is it coming through?
Yep.
Hold it tight. Tight, 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 tight.
I'm holding this up again.
Go again. Bite it.
I'm as tight as I can with my left hand and my right hand.
Is it going through?
It's in. Yep, it's in.
See? Alright, get that out your hand. What you got in your hand, get out your hand. Hold it tight. Hold it tight, hold it tight. Alright. Get that one in. Let me see if I can get this front bumper going.
It's not in the holes.
No?
The rear's not in the holes.
Okay. Okay, so the rear is going to kind of fall back a little bit. Got to tilt it a little bit. Huh. Let's see. Get these fronts going, and then work my way to the back. Hold it back, hold it back, hold it back. It's not biting. Huh. Kind of ruined it a little bit. Messed it up some. Opening up. It'll happen. Let me see. Open these things up a little bit more. Open this up. So we receive it. Open it up. These are brand new screws and plastic. Just open it up some. So it's ready to receive these screws. Alright, let's see if we can do it again. Let me take these screws out. Get in there. Okay, now got that in there. And on your side, we're just waiting to waiting on your side. What we need to do on your side, on your end?
I just need to we need to put the other shock tower on, but first I need to get my thing in to the.
Okay.
And I think the next page we go into the next shock tower and pin and body.
Okay.
Come out?
I'm not sure why it's not like mating up really well. Huh. Not sure what's going on. We'll get it though.
Where's that blue thing?
I'm sorry? What did you say?
I forgot. What did I say?
Just hit it with the power screw a little bit. Speed things up a little bit. I think we've been running for a good 30 minutes for you guys. Sorry about that. I'm glad you're still with us. Got that one in. All right, almost done with this. Oh, no, 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 no. Ah, come on. I did not need that.
Pull the... Could you pull the thing out? Pull the wires out?
Let's see if I can play with it first.
Is that a crooked ankle?
It's stuck in there, in the back here. It's wedged. Alright, so think we can pull this out?
Yeah. Hopefully.
Hopefully. I got it snugged. I don't even know where the screw is now. Thought I saw it. Alright guys, we'll leave it here. Thanks for subscribing, thumbs up and liking. And we're gonna cut for right here, come back with another episode or another part of this video. I got screw loss in there, and this is where we are for right now. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching. I'm Marcus.
Now Maxton.
12 Door Dash F, and we out.
Peace.